Shalom. Today we're doing a review of Gorilla Mind Red Gummy Fish. No, GNC doesn't have it yet. This is one of my random findings on my many adventures. Let's get into it. Delicious. L'chaim. It's delicious, nonetheless. I dig it. Personally, I'm not like the candy itself, I don't care for, but this is delicious. I recommend it. I approve of it. I got it from Crunch Fitness in Appleton. Go check them out. Everybody have a great week. Peace.